Hey allihopa, hi everyone and welcome to another video from Say It In Swedish. Today we're gonna talk about why you should be visiting Sweden. Nature. If you're gonna Google reasons to visit Sweden, this is gonna be number one on most lists, and I can see why. The nature is very diverse. We have seas, we have forests, we have mountains, we have archipelagos, we even have plains. So there is really a lot to take in, and it's free. If you come to Sweden, you can see all this for free and even live in it. Yes, we have something called allemansrätten, which means you can bring your tent and you can stay everywhere where you don't bother anyone. History. Sweden and Scandinavia in general has a really rich history, which remains are visible today. So if you really like history, or also moderately like history, there is a lot to see, from the old town in Stockholm to all the little towns in Sweden with their historic cores. We have hundreds, if not thousands, of castles. We have old stone churches that are 1,000 years old. If you like Vikings, we have rune stones, and rune stones are almost only available in Sweden. We have most of them. So if you like to see these remains of our Viking past, Sweden is the place to go, and we have other Viking and Iron Age sites as well to see. So if you like history, Sweden is really the place to go. Festivals. We Swedes, we really, and when I say really, I really mean really, we really love music. And at the moment, Sweden is, I think, most famous for electronic dance music and metal. So if you like EDM, and if you like to party, if you like metal, you can come to Sweden to visit our festivals. We have Lollapalooza, Summerburst, way out west, we have Sweden Rock. We have a lot of partying going on in Sweden, and a lot of nice clubs as well. So if you like music, you like to dance, and you like to have a good time, come to Sweden. And before ending the video, I have one more thing, that if you Google this, these lists that you will find will not have this. If you come to Sweden, you are gonna be close to all the other Scandinavian countries as well, especially their capitals. So if you come to Stockholm, you can hop on a train and go to Oslo, for instance, in just a few hours. Or you can take a boat over to Helsinki in Finland, and you will have a good time on that boat, because it's kind of like a party boat. But you can also fly, and it takes like half an hour or something. And if you want to go to Denmark, if you are in Malmö, for instance, Sweden's third largest city, you can hop on a train and go to Copenhagen for the day. There you have it. You can go to Oslo, Helsinki, or Copenhagen pretty easily if you are in Sweden.